How yummy does this look? Hey friends! Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious strawberry protein mousse. It is so light, fluffy, creamy, sweet, delicious, but it's completely naturally sweetened only by fruit, and I swear it is like eating a cloud. It's like light in your mouth and just moussey and delicious. I love this little jiggle. I'm obsessed with these protein mousses. I eat them all the time. They're just great because I like to portion them into these containers, a little lid on there, and it's just great for a grab and go. Let's hop in the kitchen and let's make some protein mousse.
Add half a cup of water to a heat-proof cup or bowl. Now we add the gelatin. I love this one from Great Lakes. Sprinkle a tablespoon on top so that it can soak and dissolve. This is called blooming the gelatin. I like to add a bit of the water on top to make sure that it's all covered with the water. We want to set it aside for at least 5 minutes to bloom while working on the other part. Next, weigh out the frozen berries. You can use any fruit here. It needs to be weighed for the proper measurement because, for example, a cup of blueberries has a different weight than a cup of strawberries. Add the date water, yogurt, and berries to a blender and blend it up. You might have to stop and scrape the sides down. Now add the collagen powder and the optional glutamine powder, which I like to add for gut health, and blend it up again. You can see now that the gelatin has bloomed, it's absorbed the water. Add it to a pot of shallow hot water on low heat on the stove and let it melt. This can take up to about 5 minutes. Give it a stir along the way and it's ready to go when it is liquid. Add the liquid to the berry mixture and blend that baby up on high speed. You can see that it's super frothy and bubbly. That's what we want. Have some bowls ready to portion immediately because it wants to thicken since it's cold. I usually do 3 larger portions or some snack size ones. Pop it in the fridge for at least 3 hours or 6 hours for full thickening. If you want to make the strawberry jam, add strawberries to a pot, bring it to a boil, and then simmer for about 20 minutes on low until it has reduced. Mash them up with a fork, let it cool, and then transfer to the fridge where it will thicken up. Once chilled, you have this jiggly, fluffy, creamy cloud mousse. So check out this texture.
Just look at that. Whew. I'm telling you, this is like eating a cloud. It's so delicious. Go give it a try and let me know what you think. So good.
Blueberry protein mousse.